In this experiment, I'm comparing the thermal conductivity of four metals: aluminium, copper, brass, and iron. A metal with a higher thermal conductivity transfers heat more quickly. A metal with a lower thermal conductivity transfers heat more slowly. Heat travels along the metal by conduction. In solids, particles vibrate and pass energy to neighboring particles. In metals, free electrons also help transfer heat quickly. Each metal strip is the same size and shape to make the test fair. I added wax to the end of each strip and used it to attach a paperclip. The metals were placed on a tripod stand with the center above a Bunsen burner. As the heat reaches the wax melts and the paperclip falls off. The faster the paperclip falls, the better the metal conducts heat. To keep the test fair, I kept the size and shape of the metals the same, used similar amounts of wax, placed the paperclips the same distance from the flame, and kept the Bunsen burner flame the same size. I started the stopwatch and lit the Bunsen burner at the same time, then recorded the time taken for the paperclip to fall off for each metal. Copper is usually expected to conduct heat better than aluminium, but small experimental errors, such as different amounts of wax or slightly different positions above the flame, can affect the results.